Good morning, my dear students. Today I have come up with Python shell. This is your practical concept through which you are going to study how to work with it. Now this is your Python shell. As at the top it is written Python 3.6.5 shell. This is the previous version. Nowadays it is going with 3.8.3. So it is the welcome message that 28 March and this particular date and everything will come as you will open the computer. So the day on which you have opened the computer. After that, type copyright, credit, license for more information. All this is there. Now after that, this is triple greater than sign. This is the place where you have to write the command. Start typing here. So next first thing I want to teach you how to display a message within a double quote. Whatever you will write and you will enter, it will display like this. And in this you can see that within double quote you have written, within single quote it is coming, within single quote also you can write, still it will come in single quote. So there are two ways in Python through which you can display a message. Now talking about print statement. Through print statement also you can do, and in which no single quotes will come. You can see print hello world, within double quote they have written and hello world is coming. Now second line, print welcome to Python programming, and it is coming. Now there has been given one example also. If you want to have a multiple lines display, then in this box you can see that example of multiple statement, print 10 within bracket, then colon they have written, and print 20 they have written, then 10 and 20 is coming in a different line. This colon specifies multiple statement you can write. After using this colon you can write, after this 20 also you can write this colon and you can write another statement. So as many as statement you can do. You have to try all this class. Without practical you will not be able to understand all this. Now in this page, first line is okay, second line is okay. After that, print the third one, print hello world, they are written and error is coming because it is a case sensitive language, and you have to write print in small letter. In above two prints you can see that it is coming in a purple color, but here it is coming in a black color. From this also you can make out this is not a inbuilt function, capital print. So error is coming, print is not defined. Now there are some arithmetic operators. This you have done in class 10th also. Addition and the simplification, then divide, and I have taught you double divide also. 22 double divide 7, it will result 3 only, but if you write single divide then it will return 3.14, and all this means decimal value. Next is print, and within bracket they have written complete simplification, 3.14 multiply 20.8, and after the simplification it will return this. So class, this is the arithmetic operator, and I have told you about addition, minus, subtraction, multiplication, division, and double divide is for getting integer value as a quotient, and star star, if you remember, 2 star star 3, it will return 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Okay, you try this in your Python shell. And after that, if you want to print like print 10 comma 20 comma 30, and if you want a single space by default, then you will write like this. But if you want to separate them by star, then you have to write 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma separation, SCP for separator. Separator is equals to within double quote star, so star is coming. And next they have written underscore star underscore, then it is coming like that. Next they have given comma, it is coming like that. Next they have given slash n. Slash n is for new line, slash t is for tab. Tab means multiple spaces. you can see that it is coming as 10, 20, 30, and next it is coming as 10 space 20, then space, then 30. Big spaces are coming. This is due to the tab.